I got some good news here. Y'all don't want to miss this. Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check update. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. And please leave your thumbs up and your comments. Okay, y'all. We know Nancy Pelosi introduced her bill on the next stimulus package. The White House and Nancy Pelosi is working closely together to get a bill passed. Now, Nancy Pelosi and the White House is real close together on what they want. Donald Trump is on board with what they want. Donald Trump will sign this bill when it comes to him. But first they have to get a verbal agreement. It looks like we've got that. Steve Mnuchin said this morning that they will come back together this afternoon and talk again. They had a 50-minute conversation yesterday, and both sides have said the conversation went very well. Now they're going to come back today with another conversation. After that conversation, they will be able to introduce an agreement to the Senate for the Senate to sign off on. They have to do all this before they can vote. When the Senate votes on it, it will go to President Trump. President Trump, we all know he will sign it, because if he don't, he will not be the president next term. And he knows that too. Mitch McConnell will not be the Senate leader next term. He won't even be a senator next term if he don't sign off on it. And we do know that Mitch McConnell has said that he will back anything that Donald Trump is okay with. So we know Donald Trump will be good with this. So this is very, very good news. It means, in my mind, that it will be passed, and maybe today or tomorrow. This is just me reading into it. We'll have to wait and see. Nothing is set in stone yet, but it's looking very good. This is the best it's looked in the past, 5-6 months. We've been trying to get a stimulus package. So this is looking very good that it will happen. So keep your fingers crossed. Send a prayer up to our Lord and Jesus Christ. This may just happen today or tomorrow. Y'all, please, I made a video yesterday, and please, I'm begging you, go watch that video. That video is, in my opinion, one of my best videos. It's something totally different. I'm going to link it at the end of this video in the video card at the end. Y'all, please go watch it. I need help getting those type of videos seen, and that's the only way to do it if y'all go watch it. I love you all. Until the next time, ciao.